How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to be doing a Fibonacci sequence problem where we're going to be looping all numbers between 0 and less than 1,000. And if any number is divisible by 3 or 5, we're going to take the sum of each individual piece every single time it is divisible, and we're going to return the sum of all of them that are divisible by either 3 or 5. And we're going to see what number we get. So let's get into it. So for step 1, I want you to create a variable that will be responsible for returning the sum of all numbers that will be divisible by 3 or 5. And I also want you to loop all numbers between 0 and less than 1,000. So remember, give yourselves at least 30 minutes to try this out. And if you can't figure it out, no problem, look at the hint. And then if you still can't figure it out after the hint, look at the video solution. Good luck. The hint for step 1 is I want you to go on the JavaScript documentation and I want you to look up how to perform loops and how to use them. Alright, so hopefully you guys gave it a try for at least 30 minutes, and if you couldn't get it, no problem. That's how we learn. We're going to keep on improving our skills over time. Alright, so for step 1, I first said that we need to create a variable, and this variable is going to be responsible for returning the sum. So I'm really bad at naming things, so I'll call it that summer is equal to, actually let's call it total sum. The total sum equals 0. And we also want to loop all numbers between 0 and less than 1,000. So let's do that. So for let I equals 0, starting at 0, I is less than 1,000, and increment it by 1 each time. So let's console log I and see what we get. We do node, and we get all numbers between 0 and less than 1,000. So for step 2, if I is divisible by 3 or 5, I want you to take the sum of the multiples returned, and I want you to push that number into our variable total sum or whatever you've called it. So give yourselves at least 30 minutes, try it out, and if you can't figure it out, no problem, look at the hint. And if you still can't figure it out, no problem, look at the solution then. The hint for step 2 is that I want you to look up on the JavaScript documentation how to use an if statement and how to use a modules operator. So hopefully you guys gave it a try for at least 30 minutes, and if you couldn't get it, no problem. That's how you learn, you make mistakes, and you get better. So let's make a walkthrough on how we can do this. Let's get rid of this console log right here. And we want to create an if statement where if a number is divisible by 3 or 5, to return that number. So let's do that. If I is divisible by 3, if number is divisible by 3, or if I is divisible by 5, we want to take that number and we want to add it into our total sum. So that would look like this. So it would be total sum plus total sum is equal to I plus total sum. And the shorter way of writing this would be doing plus equals I. Now let's go ahead and console.log it out of the side, console.log total sum, and you'll see that we should get our number right here, 23,320. Yeah, oh my god, 23,000. 232,168. Oh my god. Well, hopefully this tutorial helped you guys out. And like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.